This is underneath of the boat while we're up in the dry dock. Right through here, this is the bow of the boat. Down through here is the port side. Them jagged lines right there is the cooler heater.
Go all the way around.
I am going. And here's the bow of the boat. This is the starboard side. Them's the coolers. It's all the way down the starboard side there. Them coolers is what keeps the generator cool. The water keeps the coolers cool, and then that keeps the generator going from overheating. Here's the rudders. That big piece of metal right there is the flanks. There's the wheels. This right here is a big piece of metal. That's the rudder. There's the other flank. Go in here like this and you can see all of it. There's the wheel, the rudders, and the flanks. This is up under it.